Don't go anywhere because we're gonna make some great looking, great tasting, and seriously simple food. Hey, I'm Sam the Cooking Guy, and I'm here on behalf of Sauce Craft by Ventura Foods. We've teamed up to make your food world more delicious without making it more complicated. Hey, there's a concept. In fact, the Sauce Craft team has been making sauces for more than 3 decades. And me, well, in addition to having 3 restaurants here in San Diego, I'm also a YouTuber with a cooking channel, Sam the Cooking Guy, that is quickly approaching the 3 million subscriber mark. Wait, is that bragging? I just see it as background information. Anyway, if you're in the hospitality world, clearly the last year or so has been challenging for all of us. And now with limited staff, you might not have enough hands to do everything you want. Or maybe you do, but that's just not your model. And this is where Sauce Craft's tremendous lineup can make a real change in your kitchens. And my job is to just give you a couple ideas to make your life easier. So today I'll be using their Garlic Parmesan Sauce. And we'll start with a favorite of mine, a grilled veggie and halloumi salad. Okay, I don't need to show you how to grill veggies, but I will say variety and color rule the day. Plus, there's nothing like well-marked halloumi cheese to really add to it. And whether you like the pieces large or small, I like them small. They get tossed with baby arugula and the garlic parmesan sauce, then plated, and voila. Gorgeous and delicious. Halloumi squeaks, I love it. And don't forget the green onion, they're fantastic. But next, how about we do a shrimp scampi with the garlic parmesan sauce, but we make the shrimp crispy. Hey, there's an idea. We begin with large shrimp, tossing them in a little cornstarch and flour, then some of the garlic parmesan sauce, then into panko, and then we fry. And while they cook, our al dente noodles will get tossed in a little more of the garlic parmesan sauce, and then the whole thing just comes together. Okay, seriously, it's so good I can't stop eating it. And these are just insane. Boys, would you like one?
Yes.
Nope, sorry. They can't have greasy fingers. Maybe there'll be some left at the end. Okay, next and last, but not least, wings and fries, sort of. I like the idea of changing the look of fries. So we've chosen super colorful, left them round, and then cut them and toss them straight into the fryer. The wings get a little marinating time with liquid smoke and soy sauce. Then they're tossed in cornstarch, then the egg, and then panko. And when everything is done, they get some garlic parmesan sauce, some parsley, get plated, and are ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Okay, so maybe they're more like potato chips than they are French fries, but they're gorgeous. The colors are fantastic, and the chicken is unbelievable. Look, menu innovation does not have to be complicated. And using the big, bold flavors of Sauce Craft will get you there in a simpler, more delicious way. Okay, for more information, click the link below and get cooking. Okay, that was actually corny. And by the way, these dipped in a little extra garlic parmesan sauce, amazing.